morning. My name is misba and I am from group 3 to 7 and my topic is active membrane transport. Active membrane transport is a crucial process in biological system that involves the movement of ions and molecules across a biological membrane against their concentration gradient. This process requires energy often derived from ATP hydrolysis and is essential for maintaining cellular homeostasis, nutrient uptake and waste removal. Types of active transport. Primary active transport. It directly uses ATP to transport molecules. An example is the sodium-potassium pump, which exchanges 3 sodium ions out of cell for 2 potassium ions into the cell, establishing electrochemical gradient. Secondary active transport or co-transport uses the energy from electrochemical gradient establishing by primary active transport to move other substance. These can be further divided into symporters and antiporters. Symporters transport two different substances in the same direction. Example, glucose and sodium. Antiporters transfer two different substances in opposite direction. Example, sodium calcium exchange. Mechanism of active transport. Carrier proteins. These proteins undergo conformational change to transport substances. They bind to the molecules on the side of the membrane, change shape and release it on the other side. Specialized proteins that actually transport ions. They typically work through a cycle of conformation change driven by ATP. Energetics of active transport. Active transport is thermodynamically unfavorable as it moves substance against their concentration gradient. Energy is supplied primarily by ATP. The hydrolysis of ATP to ADP and inorganic phosphate release energy, which is harnessed by transport protein protein to facilitate the movement of molecules. Role in physiology. Maintaining osmotic pressure or balance. Active transport helps to regulate water movement and solute concentration in the cells. Signal transduction. Ion gradients are critical for signaling pathways, especially in neurons. Important in biophysics. Membrane dynamics. Understanding active transport contribute to the knowledge of membrane potential, permeability, and overall cellular functions. Modeling cellular processes. Active transport mechanisms are modeled in biophysical studies to understand how cells interact with their environment, respond to stimuli, and maintain homeostasis. In conclusion, active membrane transport is essential for various biological functions, playing a pivotal role in cellular physiology. Its study combines principles from biophysics, biochemistry, and cell biology, providing insights into the intricate mechanisms that sustain life.